is it?
I call it Tree Sap Ala Mode.
Oh. What is it? Don't forget to subscribe.
A little bit of this, a lot of bit of that. Just try it. I've been perfecting this dish for years.
Bog Bear? This is incredible! Oh, this really is amazing. Maybe less wood chips next time, but what was that?
I'm gonna post my dish on this app. Food's fine, but I need to know if it's good first. And posted. And now that that's done, you want to see how many acorns we can fit in our mouths?
You know it.
Mountain Boy, look at this! My tree sap soup is going viral! My favorite chef, Gordon Grizzly, just added me.
Bog Bear, this soup looks divine. I'd like for you to be a guest on my show, Let That Bear Cook. Please prepare a vegetable dish and a fruit dish.
Yeah!
OMG.
Gordon Grizzly?
OMG.
That guy can cook anything.
OMG. Yeah, but I can't. I can only cook tree sap soup. I don't know the difference between a fruit and a vegetable.
I know someone who can help.
Is it?
Ah, the perfect picnic. Just me, nature, and all my favorite foods. Especially this yummy salad.
Mountain Man Jon! Are you busy?
Not anymore. What can I help you with?
I could be a contestant on my favorite cooking show, Let That Bear Cook. But I don't know the difference between a fruit and a vegetable. I need your help.
It can be a little tricky at first to tell the difference between fruits and vegetables, but the main difference is that fruits come from the flowers of plants, like apples, oranges, and bananas, while vegetables come from every other part of the plant, like the stem, the leaves, and the roots. Think about it. Spinach and lettuce looks like leaves, and carrots and beets look like roots.
Oh, I didn't know that.
How is that supposed to help me? I can't ask a fruit or a vegetable what part of the plant it comes from.
Good point. Here's an easy way to tell the difference between fruits and vegetables. Fruits usually have seeds, while vegetables do not.
Now that's the kind of information I can use.
Fruits are also ordinarily sweeter than vegetables.
My mouth is watering just thinking about them.
You wouldn't happen to have any foolproof recipes I can use on this show, would you?
I don't. I bought all of this from a store.
Oh, I know who will know. Mountain Woman Melissa. Let's go see her.
Glad I could help. Now all I need is a new salad.
Hi Mountaineers, welcome back. Today we're going to make a koala bear snack. Let's see what's inside the rocks box. We have a celery, some dried blueberries, 2 tangerines, a cucumber, some peanut butter, a child-safe knife, check with your parents. So the first thing we're gonna do is peel our tangerine. So you're gonna leave one whole tangerine as is, and the other one you're gonna split in half. We're gonna break apart 3 slices of tangerines. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna use the whole tangerine to make the koala head. Use half the tangerine to make the body. Now we're gonna use the 2 slices of tangerine to make the ears. Another slice of tangerine to make the tail. And the last slice to make the arms. Now we're gonna take 3 dried blueberries to make the face. Wow, look how cute that is. We're gonna cut the celery in half. Now we're gonna cut the cucumber in half. So now I'm gonna cut the cucumbers into thin slices for the leaves. Okay, so we're gonna use the celery and put delicious peanut butter on it. We're gonna use this and make a branch for the tree. Now we're gonna use the cucumbers as leaves for the tree. Look how cute that is.
Welcome to the Fruits and Veggies Roll Call.
Let's start by learning about some
Fruits are flowers and they taste sweet.
Bananas are nutritious and fun to eat.
Apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Watermelon's refreshing on a summer's day.
Kiwis are great for the fiber they supply.
Pineapples are tangy and good for your eye.
Blueberries really help your skin.
Grapes taste good in whatever they're in. Oranges are full of vitamin C.
Now let's talk about our favorite veggies.
Carrots are sweet, a delicious root.
Spinach aids digestion and helps you poop.
Peas are small and packed with protein.
Asparagus sticks help you stay lean.
Peppers can be either spicy or sweet.
Squash looks weird, but they're good to eat.
Avocados have fat, but they're healthy, my friend.
Fruits and veggies roll call.
Let's do it again! Do you remember all the things we learned?
If you do, sing along.
Fruits are flowers and they taste sweet.
Bananas are nutritious and fun to eat.
Apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Watermelon's refreshing on a summer's day.
Kiwis are great for the fiber they supply.
Pineapples are tangy and good for your eye.
Blueberries really help your skin. Grapes taste good in whatever they're in. Oranges are full of vitamin C. Now let's talk about our favorite veggies.
Carrots are sweet, a delicious root.
Spinach aids digestion and helps you poop.
Peas are small and packed with protein.
Asparagus sticks help you stay lean.
Peppers can be either spicy or sweet.
Squash looks weird, but they're good to eat.
Avocados have fat, but they're healthy, my friend. Fruits and veggies, and that's the end. Haha, thanks for singing along with us.
Now go out there and eat something healthy.
Mountain Boy by Tall Corgi Kids. Mountain Boy was born with a full-grown beard. He was a cute little baby, but the beard was weird. But his parents didn't mind, even though it was strange, because that's what you expect living on the mountain range. Well, the boy grew fast. He shot up like a sprout. He was fast as a deer and could swim like a trout. He was clever as a fox and as brave as an ox, and he never got cold because of his long beard locks. All the animals loved him, and you will too, because you ain't ever seen a boy do what Mountain Boy could do. Well, one fine day while he was out for a hike, he came across a sight that he just didn't like. All the woodland creatures were huddled in fear, because the stinky Bog Bear was trampling near. The stinky Bog Bear was a mean old brute who never cracked a smile and stank like a boot. He was as angry as a wasp and as sour as a lime. The only thing he knew how to do was have a real bad time. Well, Mountain Boy couldn't let this be. He grabbed the bear by the fur and said, "Look at me. I might not be as big as you and I might only be 10, but you get on out of here and don't let me see you again." The stinky Bog Bear never ever backed down. He looked Mountain Boy in the eye with a big old frown and said,
"Little boy, you've got some guts. Either that or you must be nuts. You see, I'm the biggest thing on this mountainside, so when you see me coming, you best run and hide. 'Cause you might be brave, but that don't mean a thing. 'Cause in this here forest, the Bog Bear is king."
With one big stomp, he made the whole forest shake. Mountain Boy slipped and rolled down to the lake. While sitting in the water all soaking wet, he stroked his long beard and came up with a bet. "Hey, stinky Bog Bear, if you're so big and great, then let's make a deal that will seal our fate. If I can suck up all the water in this here lake, then you'll mosey on along. We've had all that we can take." Well, something strange happened that I thought we'd never see. Stinky Bog Bear laughed and cackled with glee.
He said, "Listen here, kid, I usually wouldn't waste the time, but if I said I wouldn't like to see that, then I'd definitely be lying."
So Mountain Boy grabbed his big long beard and dipped it in the lake and the water disappeared. The stinky Bog Bear was shocked at the sight, but he was a bear of his word, so he left without a fight. Well, all the animals cheered and they hooted with delight, but for Mountain Boy, something didn't feel right. He yelled, "Stinky Bog Bear, let's make a pact. If you promise to behave, I'll let you come back." That was a deal Stinky Bog Bear couldn't believe, and one that he liked because he didn't really want to leave. Ever since that day, Stinky Bog Bear has been a joy, and it's all thanks to a kid with a beard named Mountain Boy.
Make sure to subscribe to the Mountain Boy Kids channel. And if you want great stories like the one you heard in this episode, get your very own Tall Corgi Tales paperback book on Amazon. See you later.